Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to another video. For today's video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to fix Cash App not letting you to add your card on your Apple Pay. Okay, it's not something difficult. Like a lot of people face this issue, but they don't know how to fix it. But for today's video, I'm going to show you the steps that you need to follow in order to fix that problem. So now I'm going to my phone and I'm going to open my browser. Okay, so here are the steps that you need to follow. So there are two ways. The first way, which is to add your Cash App card to Apple Pay, you need to go to the card tab on your Cash App home screen, then select add to Apple Pay and then follow the prompts. And to add your Cash App card to Apple Pay from Apple Wallet, first of all, you need to open your Apple Wallet and select plus, then follow the steps, and third, which is open Cash App to verify that your card has been added. So this was the first method. And the second method, we're gonna use it if these steps are not working for us. So if it's not working, what you need to do is to contact the support, and you're gonna find it here. So you're gonna find still need help, click on custom support and then contact them. Okay, there are a lot of places, like you can contact them on your phone, from email, from one of their accounts. You can contact them, take all their contacts and you can contact them, okay? Or you can report a problem from the Cash app, okay, directly, because this is what you need to do, because they're gonna reply you very fast. So these are the ways how you can fix that problem. I hope this video was helpful to you, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.